how to verify Cash App account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your Cash App and then you're going to click on or open your profile on the top right. After that, you should then be able to select account and settings over here below and click on security and privacy. In the security and privacy, scroll down a bit and you should be able to see the section identity verification. Now, if you have not yet verified, there should be an additional option over here that will prompt you to verify your account. But as you can see on our screenshot, that it's already verified. But it will just ask you to provide a valid ID, whether it's a passport, a driver's license, and so on and so forth. And what it will then prompt you to do is to take a screenshot or rather a picture of your face to compare your ID and your face. And after that, you should then be able to verify your Cash App account. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.